Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create keywords or badge in Slack. Whenever someone uses that keyword, you will receive a notification. It's as simple as that. So once you're in Slack, simply click your account on the lower left hand side. And from here, you want to go to preferences. Now on the notification, you will find a section called keywords. So you can go ahead and write whatever. So let's say whenever someone use the word, for example, L1. I want whenever someone use the word L1 or L1 with lowercase, it triggers a notification to me and I will see that. So this is like a badge or a keyword or a tag. So whenever someone use this, you will be notified. And that's it. You don't have to click save. Whenever they use this, you will get notified. And as you can see right here, it says show a badge one in my channel list when someone uses one of my keywords. So you can actually create those keywords and actually use them. So this is your personal keywords, guys. And if someone uses that, then you want to be notified. You can also set this for your name or nickname, and that's going to also give you the trigger as well. And that's it, guys.